Which apple cider vinegar gummies are actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right ones. Today, we're diving deep into 5 options that stand out for different reasons. Product number 1, OLLY Metabolism Gummies. First up, we have OLLY Metabolism Gummy Rings. Priced at $17.99, these caught my attention because they claim to boost your metabolism and provide energy with a tasty apple flavor. If you want a little help with your metabolism, this is worth a serious look. That means they could help you feel more energized throughout the day, especially if you're trying to stay active. Plus, they have a delightful snappy apple flavor that genuinely makes taking your supplements a treat instead of a chore. With over 7,200 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many people are enjoying the benefits. Now, some folks mention that these gummies can be a bit chewy, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. But here's the thing, if you're used to swallowing pills or simply want flavor over texture, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for metabolism support in a tasty form. Skip this one if you prefer a quick capsule or if you're not a fan of gummies. For the price, it offers good value considering the added energy-boosting ingredients. Product number 2, Horbiach ACV Gummies. Next, we have Horbiach Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies coming in at just $7.99. This product is intriguing because it's vegan and gluten-free, making it accessible for various dietary needs. If you want a straightforward, effective option, these are definitely worth your attention. Each serving delivers 400 mg of apple cider vinegar, which can help with digestion and appetite control. The fact that it's vegan and made without artificial sweeteners is a big plus for those staying away from synthetic ingredients. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from over 7,600 reviews, it has a strong reputation among users. People appreciate how easy and convenient these gummies are, especially for those who want to incorporate ACV into their routine without the harsh taste. However, some reviews pointed out that the flavor might not be as strong as expected. But honestly, if you're looking for a no-fuss gummy option, the taste might not be a deal-breaker. This is great for you if you're following a vegan diet or want a simple way to add apple cider vinegar to your day. Skip it if you're looking for a higher dosage in each gummy. At this price, it's a solid, budget-friendly option. Product number 3, A-Squared Nutrition Gummies. Now let's talk about the A-Squared Nutrition Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies, which are priced at $27.75. These caught my eye because they offer a hefty 1,500 mg of ACV per serving. If you're serious about your health and want maximum potency, this one is definitely worth considering. These gummies not only pack a punch with the high ACV content, but they also include essential vitamins like B6 and B12, which can help with energy and overall wellness. The addition of the mother is crucial too, as it contains probiotics and enzymes that can support gut health. With a 4.5-star rating from 870 reviews, users rave about the benefits they feel, from better digestion to improved energy levels. On the downside, some users found them a bit pricey for a month's supply. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a high-dose option that covers multiple health benefits, the investment might be worth it for you. This is perfect for those who want to maximize their ACV intake and enjoy a blend of additional vitamins. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or just starting out with ACV. Considering the benefits packed into each gummy, the price is justified. Product number 4, Garden of Life ACV Gummies. Next up, we have the Garden of Life Organics Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies, priced at $17.49. What stands out here is the organic certification. If you're conscious about what you're consuming, these might be just what you need. Each serving delivers 500 mg of ACV along with vitamin B12, making it an excellent option for those looking to support their energy metabolism. These gummies are made with natural flavors and colors, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your body. With a strong 4.5-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, many users appreciate the clean ingredients and the pleasant taste. Some users did mention that the sugar content is a little higher than they'd prefer. But honestly, if you're using these as a treat rather than a strict health supplement, the taste can make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize organic ingredients and want a tasty way to get your daily dose of ACV. Skip this if you're avoiding sugar entirely. For the quality and taste, the price feels fair. Product number 5, Nutricost ACV Gummies. Finally, we have Nutricost Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies at $13.99. These are appealing because they pack 500 mg of ACV per gummy and offer 120 gummies per bottle. If you want quantity without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This product is simple, clean, and effective, no corn syrup or artificial sweeteners, which is a win for health-conscious buyers. The 4.6-star rating with over 640 reviews shows that people are satisfied with their purchase, especially for the value they receive. The apple flavor is pleasant, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. However, some users found that the texture was not as enjoyable compared to other gummies. But here's the thing. If you're looking for straightforward ACV benefits without any fluff, this shouldn't hold you back. This is perfect for you if you want a high quantity of gummies for a reasonable price. Skip this if you're sensitive to texture or looking for something more flavorful. Given the count and quality, the value is definitely there. So to wrap it all up, OLLY offers metabolism support, Horbiach is budget-friendly and vegan, A² Nutrition has the highest potency, Garden of Life focuses on organic ingredients, and Nutricost gives you great value for quantity. Each of these options has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you and choose wisely.